This is Chaplain Rachel with another Monday Motivator. Towards the end of last summer, the beginning of fall, I was hearing a very strange, concerning rattling noise coming from my car. And for the longest time, myself, my mechanic, and his team, we could not figure out what was going on. And it actually wasn't until they took some parts of my engine out, they kind of streamed a little camera down underneath the engine parts to see what was going on. And lo and behold, some squirrel or some little animal had taken like a walnut and buried it into the depths of my car. And so as I was driving my car, I was hearing this little nut rattle around. That is what was causing all of these issues in this peculiar sound. And I'm so glad that we were able to figure out what was going on, but I needed to pay attention to the things that I was noticing that weren't quite right about my vehicle in order to then take it in and get it diagnosed. And in the same way, we can often, as humans, have check engine lights that come on that are kind of signaling to us that something is not quite right. And maybe we need to be mindful and pay attention to the things that are going on around us, but also within us. And so some examples of some check engine lights that may be going on for us is maybe we're a little bit more irritable than we normally are. Maybe we're noticing that we're spending a lot more time just numbing out in front of the television, or maybe we're noticing that we're overworking a little bit too much. Maybe we're noticing that we're not as patient as we would like to be, or maybe we're not being as kind. Maybe we're being a little bit more short with people when we're giving responses. And these can all be signals that, oh, maybe something isn't quite right. And oftentimes when we feel like something is wrong, there's something either within us that isn't quite right, or maybe there's a circumstance that is causing us a lot of stress and anxiety. Sometimes we can kind of swing one of two directions. And one is that we just ignore it. We just try to escape and numb out from the realities of life, thinking that if I just don't look at the check engine light, then it's not there and it will magically go away. Or other times we think, well, if I just work harder, if I just hustle more, if I just do more relentlessly, then eventually I will work past this problem. And I think we need to find a balance of, yes, we need to be able to relax, and yes, we do need to work, but the middle balance of, hey, I need to pay attention and be mindful to the check engine lights in my life, and I need to create the space to address them. And as you're listening to this Monday Motivator, maybe you're thinking, oh, I have some check engine lights. I have some things going on, but I don't know how to address them, or I don't know what to do about them. As your chaplain, I am a confidential listening ear, and I'm available 24/7, 365. My contact information is always located at the end of each video and also in the description below. I hope that you have a wonderful week. I want to remind you that God, our CEO, cares about you deeply, and we'll talk again real soon.